So we're gonna start doing some foam rolling on our lats to help open up overhead range of motion, okay? So a lot of times people will lift their arms up and this area right here will be restricting them. So we're gonna really try to focus on tissue prepping that region. So you're gonna need a foam roller for this one. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay on my side here. I'm gonna leave my arm open and out, and I have the option to go up and down, or I have the option to go back and forth like this. If you like, you can also move the arm a little and swing it down and up, but really we're just trying to prepare the tissue for some stretches and some activation drills to really help lengthen this area to get you a better position in your overhead mobility. It can get pretty tender along this area, so if you're like, that's too much, just lightly move it a little bit and go to a new sore spot. We're gonna spend about 1 to 2 minutes in this region, and then we're gonna flip over onto the other side and do the exact same thing.